Everyone, I am Daksh and I will explain you a little bit of program that you have to write in the exercise of booleans. I have done this simple work. This is all very simple. First of all, you have to make three input statements that you all know and add the try and intent. First is equals to integer first and second integer second, except print, and be sure that you quit after what except. Now it will again and again do the same thing. Okay, now again try and accept. Try. Now we will have it the main if half plus, sorry, first of all put the double quotes in operator intent, and here we will write add as the variable first and second. First plus second. I should remove this white space. Yeah, done. Now here I will write Aleph for minus. Let us do minus in operator intent. We shall copy this again. Copy and add. Paste it. And be sure that you make it intent. No, it will not function and show you the problems. Again Aleph. Here I will write multiply. We can write X because I cannot see any multiply sign in my keyboard, and in with asterisk. So now intended, sorry, that is wrong. I'm so sorry. Take my pardon. Or asterisk sign operator. Now copy. Here be sure that you change the signs. We'll do again and again the same thing. Intent. Now make it asterisk, as we all know for multiplication. And here again for the division you have to write Aleph, because else is used if anything will be there, it will divide it again and again. So else will not be here because no statement would be written after else. So I will write else here with this, or we can write it hashtag in operator, and now it again, paste, make sure that it and indent. So yeah, divide. Now last thing that is left is accept. Oh no, one more thing is left up. It is the print statement. Print statement, add the variable we took. Now yes, last thing is accept intended print. I will write no program written. No program written. Now let us see. Enter a number with something like this. See, it's running correctly. Now with a proper number, Will be 30. Might be. I've added. Yeah, see, it is correct. I hope you will do this up in your home and practice well. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.